The Inian Islands sit as the last barrier between interior part of southeastern Alaska and the open Pacific Ocean. It's an extremely productive area for whales, for sea otters, for sea lions, for breeding birds. It's a wonderful, wonderful wildlife stop, and we're going to go out and take full advantage of it. For some reason, the sea otters today were in a very, very friendly mood, so they gave us absolutely outstanding views. They're rolling about on the surface, scratching, preening, getting air into their fur to stay warm. Sea otters are the largest member of the weasel family, but the only truly aquatic weasel, if you will. They are usually found around kelp forests. They have voracious appetites. They eat as much as 25% of their body mass per day. Then they have this wonderful behavior of breaking out their prey open by banging it on a rock on their chest and consuming the contents.
We had an amazing cruise around the Inian Island, and we saw so much wildlife. We saw sea otters in multitude. It was like they were at play, they were rolling around, they were looking at us, they didn't seem to be intimidated. They almost seemed like they were putting on a little performance. And you know, babies close to the mama, and this has exceeded my expectations. The naturalists are so friendly, and I just have learned so much. I always learn so much.